This is the arcade I was at about a week ago. It's called Power Up Arena. This is the machine that I was at last time. Oh, it didn't register. Yeah, the last time I came here, that was the example I was trying to tell you all about. Well, we've got a fidget spinner. Oh, there's a donut squishy. I kind of want to go for that, but there's no way to get that. Let's try to get that other squishy that's back there. Yeah, this is at the Garden State Plaza, by the way. Well, we got a considerable 2-in-1 right there.